Hello! Did you know that every 13 seconds a home is burglarized in the United States? But only 17% of American households have a security system. Well, what if there was a way to increase the amount of homes that have a security system without breaking the bank?
Listen here, buddy.
And what if there was an all-in-one security system that doesn't sacrifice on video quality or its features? I believe I have found that product. And today, I'm going to review the Canary all-in-one security system. Coming up. What's up, handsome people? If you're like me and you have a limited income but love expensive gadgets, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we focus on getting the best gadgets for the least amount of cash. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And hey, don't be shy. Feel free to check out the notes and the links in the YouTube description below anytime during the video. So let's dive into it. Now, the Canary all-in-one security system has been around for several years, but since it is cloud-based, it continues to receive updates and additional features. Now, I've used the Canary for over a year, so I have a good understanding as to what it packs and what it lacks.
Sweet!
Now, Amazon is currently selling the black Canary for about $125, but the white Canary, for whatever reason, could be purchased for only $110. Now, the cool thing about it is both the black and the white have the same internals. It's only different on the outside. Now, as you know, I'm always looking for a deal, so I went with the white one. So in the box, you're gonna get the Canary device itself. Let's take a look around. That's where your lens is, some of your sensors up top and right there. We have the Ethernet port, the audio out port, and the power port, which is a micro USB. Got the Canary symbol right there. Got some rubber stops at the bottom to keep it in place.
Wow, it's very nice.
Now you also get this cable in the box. It is a USB-A to a micro USB cable. Now the cable's very thin, so I guess that makes it easier to feed along the wall if you're planning to do so. And it's quite a long cable. It's about 5 feet in length. Now you also get a circular power brick, which I actually lost and I don't use because of the product that I featured last time. If you haven't seen that product, I'll leave a link in the card above. Last thing that it comes with is this yellowish 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And this cable is used for setup. Now what it does is you plug it in the back of your Canary, like so, and then you plug this into your cell phone headphone jack. Hopefully your phone has a headphone jack. And it sends a signal to your smartphone for setup. Now it's a very weird and cumbersome way to set up your device. So, I'm glad that I just had to do it once. Now, as far as how big the Canary is, it's about 6 inches in height and about 3 inches in diameter. And it weighs a little less than a pound. It has a 1080p high definition camera with motion detection and AI-powered person detection for smarter alerts, so you don't continually get alerts for things that really don't matter. The lens in the Canary is a 147 degree wide angle lens. And this lens packs one of the best high quality night vision that turns on and off automatically. This thing also packs a high quality microphone to pick up any audio, both near and far. And I've tested this and I can hear the front door opening and closing, which is probably about 200 feet away, like it was super close. This microphone on this device is
awesome.
There's a built-in speaker for two-way talk, but the two-way talk is only available if you subscribe to the monthly or yearly membership. This thing also has a 90 decibel siren. Now you're probably asking, what is 90 decibels? Well, 90 decibels is about as loud as your lawnmower or your vacuum cleaner. So to demonstrate how loud this is, I will plug it in, give it some power, and then I will start the alarm. This is only for demonstration purposes. I will only let it ring for a couple seconds because it does hurt my ear, because it is pretty loud. So we'll turn the siren on in 3, 2, 1. It's pretty loud. Yeah, I'm turning it off. Oh man. Okay. All right, a little ringing in the ears, but I'll get through it. Ooh, wow. So yeah, that'll startle any intruder. I don't care who you are. The Canary also packs some additional features that you can't find in any all-in-one security systems. It has what they call home health technology. The built-in sensors in the Canary monitor the temperature, monitor the humidity, and the air quality of your home. And I'll go into more detail of these features in the app later. Now, since the Canary is cloud-based, it does need an internet connection. So it does connect to the internet via 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi or through a wired Ethernet cable, which plugs in back here. Now, all footage is encrypted on an AES 256-bit data encryption, one of the best. And to access this footage, you can choose between two different types of memberships. The free access, which is what I have, allows you to watch 24/7 live footage. The motion recordings are in clip form. It keeps 1 day of video history. It has advanced detection, activity zone masking, one-touch access to first responders. So if there's an emergency, you just press it once and it will bring your local PD, fire department, paramedics, whatever you need. And you get a 1-year device warranty. Now, these free features, which are included when you purchase the Canary system, is a definite major selling point. But if you would like to invest more in your security cam, the membership will cost you $9.99 a month or $99 a year. And then it includes everything that the free access gives, but it also records full-length videos, not clips. It keeps a video history of 30 days. 30 days. Or 1 month, not 1 day. There's unlimited video downloads. So if this camera catches something nice, something cute, maybe your child takes his or her first steps, says his or her first words, you can download the video clips from the cloud. We have a two-way Canary talk, also desktop streaming. It comes with some advanced custom modes. There's an incident support service and an additional year, which equals to 2 years for the device warranty. And either way, you can't beat this. It's amazing how they packed all of this into such a little device. And with the updates, it keeps getting better and better and better. Now let's take a look at the app. All right, so let's go to our app drawer. Let's search for Canary. Now this app is available both on iOS and Android, so you can get it for both operating systems. When you open the app, the first thing you are greeted with is a few options. And the first thing you'll notice is this big button right in the middle that says Watch Live. If you click on that button, it'll bring up a live feed of your Canary with audio. Doesn't that look nice? Nice and wide, capturing the entire Handsome Gadget station. At the bottom, you'll have 3 buttons to choose from. There is a siren button. If pressed, it will sound the 90 decibel siren, which we've experienced a little bit earlier. It's pretty loud. The second button is a talk button. Now, when pressed and held, you'll be able to communicate with the built-in speakers.
You hear us, we hear you.
But like I said earlier, this is only available if you subscribe to their service. And the last button on the right is the emergency button. Now, if pressed, this would call your local authorities. I haven't tested it out, and I hope I never have to, but I trust Canary that it works. Now let's back out of here and go back to the home screen. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to show you guys one of the best parts of this Canary all-in-one security system, and that would be its night vision. So without further ado, hey Google, turn off studio. Now I'm also going to have to turn off my LED lights so it gets into full night vision mode. So let's turn that off. And kablam! Night vision at its finest. Look at that. See my hand? See the watch? Yeah, you see the watch. You can't make out what's on it, but you can see the watch. My ring. It's pretty awesome. My fan, my Yoobao fan. my headphones. It's all there on display, and it's pitch black here. I can't see anything without this night vision. It's pretty awesome. Hey Google, turn on studio. And just like that, the night vision turns off, automatically on and automatically off based upon the lighting in the room. Underneath the Watch Live button is a brief look at your temperature, humidity, and air quality levels. By pressing on any number, we'll bring up the detailed levels in a graph. If we click on the wheel in the top right-hand corner, the app goes into the notification section. Here you can adjust the settings to when you will be notified. You can keep the notifications on, or you can turn it off. It's up to you. I leave mine on. Let's go back to the home screen. Now if you press the icon with the 3 lines at the top right hand corner, the app will lead you into your home geofence. You will be able to set your home's location so the app will know when you are home or away based upon your phone's geolocation. But this feature is a little hit or miss, and I prefer to let the app know when I'm home and away manually. And speaking of that, let me show you how to do that. So we're back on the home screen, and once again towards the bottom of the app, you'll see a button that looks like a house. We click on that button and it brings up 3 different options. The first option is away. If you use the away option, this will continually record footage that can be accessed from the cloud. The second option is the home mode. Now this mode does not record anything, but lets you view your Canary live from the app. And the last mode is night mode. This mode can be set to whatever time you want it to automatically set to. This mode is similar to the away mode by the fact that it continually records, but the mode is set based upon the time you choose, even if you're home. So let's go back to the home. The last part of the app is the timeline at the very bottom of the app. If we scroll up, it will show the last 24 hours of activity easily displayed in this timeline. But of course, if you have a paid membership, this timeline will show the history based upon the membership that was purchased. I hope this was informative and it helped you make a better decision for your home security. I trust this device to help protect my family and valuables from burglars and thieves, and I know that it could help you as well. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the Canary all-in-one security system, leave a comment below or click in the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and of course a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on all major social media platforms at Handsome Gadgets. Thank you and have a good one.